All right, guys, so I just had a muffler delete done on my Magnaflow catback, and I've heard it already, but I wanted to make a video because it sounds totally different. It sounds so good. There's no rasp at all, and it just sounds so, it's just got a nice growl to it, so I'll let you guys take a listen. Windows are down, by the way. That sounds so good. I doubt that the camera can capture any of this, but it's got such a deep growl to it, especially in second gear. I'm in love. I am absolutely in love with that. Sorry for all the talking, but man, it just sounds so good. I haven't gotten on it yet, so we'll take us out to the highway and get a little pull. I can't wait to hear how that sounds. Bet it's gonna be loud. Ah, come on. You've got to be kidding me. Man, that sounds good. All right, windows are up. Oh, that downshift. All right, there's a little tunnel up here. Yes! That is incredible. I love it. I am so in love with this right now. So yeah, Magnaflow catback with an added vibrant resonator, RV6 decatted downpipes, RV6 J pipe, no mufflers. That's the setup, and it sounds amazing.